we will complete the topic. Try to understand. As I told you that a variable, if you want to create inside of the as a global variable, to keep global key. Then what happens? To keep global keyword, this variable declared inside, but its scope is what? Global. Scope means can be used inside as a local variable, and outside you can use it a global variable. Outside. When you call this function add, two times I have called x as a local variable. Means scope is what? Local I have used, outside I have used in print statement out of the function. Now here I have used a global value. So this is one topic I cleared. Now if you want to change a variable which is declared inside of function global, it has a value. Now you want to change its name. Okay? You want to change its value. So by declaring by global, you can change its value like what you try to. This is the global value outside. Now if you want to change this value of x is a global value. You want to change this value inside of this. So how? You need to declare x as a global. After that, okay, here you have passed the value as x. Now whenever you call, see what happens. See, everything is Rahul. Everything is Rahul. How will it change? Because initially you have declared the value x value is was a global value. So now you want to change its value inside of the function. Then to declare this inside with the global key. Now if you call and you assign that x with the raw, now this value means Vasu will be updated with this raw, because now this x declared inside, that becomes what? Global. Global means scope is what? Inside can be used, outside can be used. So whenever you call inside, okay, this will be used as a local variable. Whenever you call outside, so outside it will be used global. So now you have changed the value of this global value. Means simple theory is that if you want to change a global variable value inside of the function, nothing to do, simply you declare that x as global keyword. After that, assign a value. Now this value will be used, means this Vasu will be updated with value. Means this Vasu value will be changed with this. That is the story. So the topic is how to change global variable value inside of a function by global keyword. That is the topic. That is the topic.